So watching videos and past paper debriefs is the key to answering your exam in the way that brings marks. But for you to actually pass the exam, the thing that you would also need to do, you would need to attempt the assignments and mocks. Assignments, progress tests, mocks, mock. Why would you need it? You need that to get the feedback. Why? Because you might think that, let's say, when you go to the gym, that your arms are in parallel, but they will not. And you need your coach to come to you and say, okay, you need them to be down or you need them a little bit up. That happens like every time. So you need feedback regardless of whatever you learn. So, for example, when a person sings, they have a coach. Great actors, and you can see that from the interview, have acting coaches. And you can look, let's say, at like that very actor, and they have Oscars. They're one of the best actors in the world, and they still have acting coaches because they need to get feedback. So do you. And what I see, and I have seen it quite a lot in my practice, is that people formulate the answer that doesn't bring marks. So you need to get the feedback, first of all, to learn how to change your style, not how to adopt whatever is there in the examiner's answer. No, how to change the style you have to get marks. What mistakes you're making, and so on. With our course, you will also have WhatsApp support. That is something that you will, we will benefit from a lot, because if you have questions, you can ask them there. When we're talking about the WhatsApp support, I would warn you that the WhatsApp support works in chat. Please don't write private messages for me, because we need to give everyone equal opportunities. So since you have a group class, then the support is also group. It's not individual. So individual answers, individual coaching and so on, that is for individual clients only. And when we're talking about what is that you need to do and how you can benefit from the course, I would also like to stress that they are live sessions. The live sessions are going to be needed by you in order to, first of all, get motivated to study something, to learn something new, because otherwise there is a high chance that you will just push all the studies till the last weeks. Live sessions are needed to ask questions. Live sessions are needed in order to attempt questions live and learn the skill of answering the questions. So with the live sessions, we are going to have the following topics. We will talk about strategic analysis, strategic choice, governance, leadership, risk management, e-business, review. There will be a revision session, and there will be pre-scene analysis. And these are not the substitute for the theory videos. I'm not going to summarize the video. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to waste time of those people who have been responsible and watched the theory. This is about the practice. This is about understanding of the content.